Namaskar, my name is Lakan Khandelwal of class 8A and today I will be telling you about animal cell in its parts. An animal cell is a type of eukaryotic cell that lacks a cell wall and has a true membrane-bound nucleus along with other cellular organelles. Animal cells range in size from a few microscopic microns to few millimeters. The shape of animal cells also varies, with some being flat, others being oval or rod shaped. So let's talk about the parts in detail. So here is nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is a double membrane structure that surrounds the nucleus. It is also referred to as the nuclear envelope. Second is a nucleus. Nucleus is an organelle that contains several other suborganelles such as nucleolus, nucleosomes, and chromatins. It also contains DNA and other genetic materials. Third is the centrosome. Centrosome is a small organelle found near to the nucleus which has a thick center with radiating tubules. The centrosomes are where microtubules are produced. So let's talk about lysosome. Lysosomes are round organelles surrounded by a membrane and comprising digestive enzymes which help in digestion, excretion, and in the cell renewal process. Is a cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like material which contains all the cell organelles enclosed within the cell membrane. The substance found within the cell nucleus contained by the nuclear membrane is called the nucleoplasm. Fifth is the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is a flat, smooth, layered sac-like organelle which is located near the nucleus and is involved in manufacturing, storing, and transporting the particles throughout the cell. Now let's talk about mitochondria. Mitochondria are spherical or rod-shaped organelles with a double membrane. They are the power of the cell as they play an important role in releasing energy. Now let us talk about ribosomes. Ribosomes are small organelles made of RNA-rich cytoplasmic granules and they are the sites of protein synthesis. Now let us talk about endoplasmic reticulum. This cellular organelle is composed of a thin winding network of membranous sacs originating from the nucleus. Now let's talk about vacuole. Vacuole is a membrane-bound organelle present inside a cell involved in maintaining shape and storing water, food, waste, etc. Now let us talk about the nucleolus. Nucleolus is an organelle in the nucleus that plays a key role in transcription and processing of the ribosomal RNA. Thank you.